Place the disintegration tester on a level surface. Connect the inlet and outlet water quick couplings. Connect the temperature sensor. Plug in the power cord and switch on the power. Log into the system. Add sample information. Set test parameters, observation time point, up-down frequency, and temperature. Remove the disintegration basket and beaker. Add purified water up to the max line. Add the test medium into the beaker. Place the beaker into the water bath. Turn on heating. Place 6 test tablets into the disintegration tubes. Then insert the discs. Heat to the preset temperature. Reinstall the disintegration basket. Click Run to start the test. 30 seconds before disintegration time, the buzzer will beep 5 times. At the set time point, the buzzer will sound. Test completed. Select the sample information and save the record. Turn off heating. Access data management to review results. Export or print the required record via USB. Remove all baskets and beakers. Clean thoroughly and store properly. Turn off the power.